Welcome to Pravek's manufacturing facility in Noida. Spanning over 20,000 square feet, this facility sources, stores and processes high-quality ingredients to produce the finest Ayurvedic medicines and products adhering to all AYUSH guidelines. Driven by an unwavering commitment to excellence, Pravek's products go through strict quality checks at every step of the manufacturing process to meet the highest standards. Our facility is designed to handle every aspect of production for a variety of Ayurvedic medicines, ensuring meticulous in-house execution at each stage, from segregation to packing. By blending the wisdom of Ayurvedic traditions with modern technology, Pravek delivers products that are both effective and safe. Thank you for being a part of our journey towards nurturing wellness through the power of nature and the precision of science. Pravek, trusted since 1992.